Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour of Millennium Mall in Maypen. Now this mall is what we always refer to as an epic failure. It's a massive mall, hundreds of stores, but 3/4 of the mall is empty. Now when they opened the mall at first, there was no supermarket, but you notice on the left they have select grocers now. But the mall definitely is not doing as well as they had hoped basically. So guys, I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think they should do with this mall? Now, Sagicor built the mall, so they are a massive financial company, so billions were spent to build this mall. And things are so bad that that building straight ahead to the right, that was to be a Sagicor branch, a bank. And things are so bad that they have not even opened their own branch. So guys, what do you think they should do with this mall? Now, Sagicor has built New Brunswick Village in Spanish Town since this mall has opened. And that one is up to 70% occupancy already. They have a branch there which they have opened and it's up and running. And the entire mall is at 70% occupancy. They're building the promenade over in Portmore and it's still under construction, but it's going to do well. So this mall now, I'm very surprised that Sagicor hasn't done anything with it to try to do something else. So it's not working as a mall. This location didn't have a supermarket when they opened. It's just not working. For a mall to be successful in Jamaica, you need 3 things. We've said it many times on the channel. You need a brand name supermarket, you need to build it in a populated area, and you need food stores. This mall clearly is not built in Maypen. I mean, the town of Maypen is buzzing with activity. The supermarket came too late. So, I think they should take the front part of the mall and keep it as a mall. And then the back side of the structure, either demolish it or, not demolish, but convert it into commercial buildings, warehouses, commercial buildings where you don't need foot traffic, you set up offices. I mean, I've never seen a BPO building empty. The BPO industry is booming in Jamaica. So I think they need to keep the front where the supermarket is and the 2 food stores. Keep the front and the rest of the structure convert it to commercial buildings. I mean, there's so much demand for warehouses now in Jamaica. And with this mall so close to the highway, you could easily set up commercial buildings, a warehouse facility structure like what they're doing 876 complex, Diamond Hub in Maypen. 876 is off Mandela. Build it out commercial. It's not working as a mall. It's not working and it's not going to work. There's nothing more they can do. That's a supermarket there. There's nothing more that can be done. And you see the few cars in the parking lot. There's nothing more that can be done. That's what I think. Keep this front part with a few shops and the supermarket. And take the rest of the structure and convert it to commercial space. I mean, you have so much parking for a commercial building. Set up offices where people don't have to sell anything. It's commercial. Convert some sections into warehouses. Convert some sections into BPO facilities. It's a massive structure. You can even go up 3 or 4 floors for more commercial space. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But I don't think there's anything more that can be done for this location as a mall. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.